workdays? Or all-nighters writing term papers? Or late-night parties? Whatever the reason behind you being sleep-deprived, we all know how it feels to see those terrible dark circles under your eyes the morning after. You might think, gosh, what should I do? Well, look no further, because we know exactly how to use makeup to eliminate your eye bags and ditch those dark circles. Let's get started. Step 1. Thoroughly wipe your face with makeup tonic. Clean every pore to prepare your skin for further makeup application. Step 2. Take a face tint brush and apply face tint under your eyes. Here's a few tips. Use matte face tint to conceal your eye bags. Also, make sure that the face tint is of a lighter color than your natural skin tone. Step 3. Carefully shade the face tint with Beauty Blender. Seriously, the Beauty Blender is a must-have, a very useful tool. Step 4. You must have noted there's still some space without face tint right under the bottom eyelid. For this, we're taking a triangle sponge, which will allow us to shade the tint in places where Beauty Blender can't reach, which in our case is the border of your eyelid. Use it to shade the remaining face tint and to cover all this space. And that's it! We're done here, and your eye bags are no more. Remember to subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for more pro makeup tips.